welcome. What was the last crazy time? 25, 25, and 100x. I believe that's been a while ago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. How many spins last crazy time? Oh, I don't have that answer. Now, cash on got a 5x. I'm afraid to wish for that. Oh, come on. But we've got it. Now we've got it. Now we're talking. Cash on with a 5x multiplier. Oh, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's really an honor for me to take you back to the cash on money. Well, first, let's see those basic multipliers. What we're going to get. Oh, come on. 175x, 50x's, and everything now gets multiplied by 5. So 500, 375x's, 250x's. Oh, what a wall. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Carousel mixes it all up together. Emojis and multipliers are not connected. If you gave it a bet, you're going to get one shot and your money will be paid back with 25 till 500x. Choose one emoji. One bet gives you one shot. Choose it by yourself or let that on auto pick so the gun would move around for a few more seconds till the moment of this shot taking place. Final seconds. And oh, good. Like you're saying, 2 will be the 500x. I see in chat. We'll see that in a moment. Now, after everybody will take that shot, only then I will say what I'm picking. My bunny brings 100 exactly. There it is, 500x and 82 of you found it. 365 of you got that. Second best, 375x. My king.
Once yet again, top points 44,000 euros. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Last coin for 40x Joker. Betting time is over. Bye, game. Take care. Goodbye. Welcome to those that are new. 7x and crazy time. Is the cat obedient, Nazar? For the food, she is. My cat's ready to do anything you want for the food. She is absolutely corrupt lady. Ladies and gents, we've got a crazy time. 7 times multiplied. Those penguins gonna get chubby, yo. Let's go. Oh, hi there, you penguitos. And dancitos and singitos, because we got Big Mama Wheel going 7 times crazier. Yeah! Let's get it started then, yo. Woo, woo, woo. Ladies and gents, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Ooh, wow, magic. So now you'll have to make a difficult decision, because you'll have to pick only one of the 3 flappers, either green, blue, or yellow. Or you can try the feature called Auto Pick, which can help you out to pick something randomly. So no worries, you're covered, and let's go. Oh! Let's go now. What? Did you see that yellow flapper just now, ladies and gents? Like a rock star comes in back in the house with 7